Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will explain to you Kikoff late payment removal. Can you remove it from your credit report? First, what is Kikoff? Kikoff is a credit building platform that gives you a small credit line or account to help improve your credit score by reporting on-time payments to the credit bureaus Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. What happens if you miss a payment? If you miss or make a late payment, Kikoff can report it to the credit bureaus. A late payment stays on your credit report for up to 7 years, even if you later pay it off. This can lower your credit score, especially if your credit history is short. If the late payment was reported by mistake, an error, you can file a dispute with the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Provide proof such as screenshots, bank statement. If the late payment is correct, you were actually late. Credit bureaus generally will not remove accurate negative information. However, you still have a few options: Goodwill letter, pay for delete time. And that's everything you need to know about Kikoff late payment removal. If the late mark is an error, dispute it right away. But if it's accurate, your best moves are Goodwill requests, negotiating with Kikoff, and most importantly, staying consistent with on-time payments so your credit can recover. Remember, credit repair takes patience, but every positive step you take helps build a stronger financial future.